In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a professional Notion help center. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded hub your users can explore, plus options to level it up with advanced features. We'll begin right inside Notion by creating a new page and choosing a help center template. Using a template gives you a ready-made structure with sections and placeholders so you don't start from scratch. If you don't see one you like, browse the template store and pick a layout that matches your needs. From there, turn each help article into its own subpage. This keeps content tidy and makes navigation straightforward. On your main page, use columns to group related content side by side, like Getting Started, next to Troubleshooting, so readers can scan more easily. To make key information stand out, add call-out blocks for important tips, warnings, or next steps, and choose background colors that align with your brand. Keep the most important guidance above the fold and use concise headings to help people find answers quickly. It's also smart to include a dedicated FAQ section at the top or bottom of your main page. FAQs reduce support tickets and give newcomers a quick overview. To keep readers engaged, use collapsible toggles for longer explanations, and embed short tutorial videos where a visual walkthrough will help. Next, polish the look and feel. Add a cover image and page icon that reflect your company's style. Adjust theme colors to match your brand palette, and keep typography consistent across pages. Placing your logo in the header area or at the top of the main page helps your help center feel official and familiar. Consistency is key. Repeat the same icon style and color accents across all sub-pages so the experience feels cohesive. When you're ready to share, open the Share menu and publish the page to the web so anyone with the link can access it. For a cleaner link, set this page as your public homepage in your workspace settings. That way, your URL is simpler and easier to share in emails, app menus, and footers. If you want a more professional, feature-rich site, connect your Notion pages to a third-party tool like Notion Desk or HelpKit. These platforms turn your Notion content into a customizable website with improved SEO, multilingual options, custom theming, and even a help widget you can embed on your main site. The best part is that your content remains in Notion, so updates sync automatically. That's it: structure, brand, publish, and enhance. Keep refining your articles over time, and your help center will become a powerful self-service destination.